One person has died after severe storms rolled through Pawnee overnight.
Yeah, KSCO field meteorologist Michael Armstrong was in Pawnee. He was talking to the sheriff last night. Also got a close-up look at some of the damage.
Yeah, field meteorologist Michael Armstrong here in Pawnee Lake, and we're just north of the town of Pawnee, where a powerful storm rolled through with winds over 70 miles per hour. There is some speculation that there may have been a tornado here. We don't have any confirmation of that, but there is damage.
I mean, when I walked out, it was blowing me backwards. I went to get the truck and it slammed the door on me just from the wind. We've still got a bunch of first responders here. Still have several out combing the county looking for other signs of damage. Main things, I would just keep the folks here in your thoughts and prayers tonight, and be cautious as you're out driving around.
There's a number of RVs that have been overturned. Unfortunately, one fatality with that. It has calmed down, the storms are gone, but earlier tonight it was extremely rough. At Pawnee Lake, field meteorologist Michael Armstrong, KSCO 5 News.
And the city of Pawnee also posting on Facebook overnight saying in part, we need people to stay in their homes as emergency crews are out working and identifying all of the areas hit. They mentioned electric poles down through the city. They've called for emergency assistance as well. This is video from First Alert Storm Command in that area around midnight. And of course, we'll continue to monitor the developments on that story.
Yeah, new this morning, the Pawnee Public School District posting this statement overnight saying that school is going to be closed for today. The district says they're going to make a decision about the football game for tonight after they've had a chance to assess some of the damage.